Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku.co daily analysis for the S&P 500 for the trading day ending January 28th, 2014. Well, the buyers have come back into this market today, a white body candle, and a day where the buyers have closed with control. For the previous day's trading, we saw the market trading down to within the cloud, closing within the cloud, giving us a neutral market in big picture terms, but finding support at the previous resistance area at 1775, and there was a very good chance that the market was going to hold at that level. It is a strong level. It has been tested as both support and resistance in the recent past, and for the days trading prior to today, we did see price rejection from there, as evidenced by the shadow on the bottom of the candle. So for today's trading, we have seen the buyers close with control and also close back outside of the Ichimoku cloud, giving us a bullish market in the long-term time frame once again. There is potential for this market to trade higher. The only problem is, though, we haven't seen the market change trend, so technically this trend is down, and in bar chart terms this is an inside day and a day of indecision for the downtrend and suggesting a possibility of a change of trend. But the important thing here is that the buyers weren't strong enough to take out the previous high, and that high was very close to the 1800 round number level of resistance, and there's a good chance that the influence of that resistance was coming into play as the market was trading up above the cloud today. So some serious doubt whether this market will be able to change the trend and will be able to continue trading up through this 1800 level. It is an area that we should be watching very, very closely. Now, by the same token, obviously the 1775 level is an area of support that we should be watching quite keenly as well, and this market is really bound by close by strong resistance but close by strong support, so not a good trading market at the moment, and waiting for resolution either outside of the bottom of the cloud or outside of the top of the cloud. As we look at the bottom of the cloud over the next week or two, that will be moving up to meet price action where it is at the moment. So as we move into the next week or so, there is a greater possibility of this market turning into a bearish market in the long-term time frame if we do end up trading down outside of the bottom of the cloud. What we want to see is follow through if we do break out down below there in a bearish breakout, but we're nowhere near that level at the moment, so all we can do is and trade the market as it's trading at the moment, and here we have a bullish market failing to change the trend, however, to the upside, so quite some doubt about the potential to continue trading up. In terms of the Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen, the market is trading down below both of those, so we have a bearish market in the medium and fast term timeframes, and is suggesting that there has been a change of sentiment in that those two timeframes, and suggesting that there is some confusion in this market at the moment. So we will be waiting for resolution for the market to trade outside of the Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen to the upside if the market can appreciate through the 1800 level. The Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen are both trading around the 1813 level of previous support and resistance, so that strengthens the amount of resistance around that area if the market can trade higher over the next few days. Looking to the Chikou span, and this is really telling us a story. That's the orange line here, and it's within the corresponding price action, so suggesting that there is a lot of indecision in this market, a lot of doubt, whereas the Chikou span was well above the price action previously, and giving us high probability trades to the upside and strengthening the idea that the market was trending up in all three timeframes. Here we have the market now trading within the price action and raising doubt about whether this market will be able to continue to the upside, this trend to the upside. So moving forward, obviously we do need to watch the level around 1800. Round number has been broken previously, but still may hold as resistance for this market, and the 1775 level is quite a strong level of support, tested again for yesterday's trading.